Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create printable stickers in Canva, a quick guide. So guys, you want to start designing your own stickers at home. In this quick guide I'll show you how to create printable stickers in Canva. They're perfect for planners, journals, packaging, or small business branding, and you'll get to learn how to design stickers using Canva templates, add outlines, shapes, icons for a clean cut, and prepare files for printing at home or with a printer service. You also learn how to export in high quality as a PDF or PNG file. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step is log into Canva. Make sure you have an account. With your account on Canva, click on Home here, then click on Templates, and then simply search up sticker templates. So once you've searched up sticker templates, simply scroll through till you find the template you want to work on. I'm going to be going with this as a template I would like to work on. So click on Customize this template. Once you selected customize this template, it's then opened up in a new tab. You can have it in a new tab and it's going to look like this. All you need to do to turn this template into your sticker is quite simple. If you run a brand like that's behind comedy and things like that, you could just simply edit this text. So it says here, thank you for your purchase. You could turn this to hands off the merchandise. So something like this. You could have it like this, and boom, we've edited it from thank you for your service or thank you for your purchase to hands off the merchandise. Now, in order to apply this to this other text body, just click on this here and simply click on it again, and then highlight the text. Use the Control key and C to copy. Head over to the bottom text, Control V, and it's going to look like this: hands off the merchandise. We have it here like this, and this is movable. You could move it towards the bottom or towards the top, or keep it centered in the middle. Now for the colors, you could change it to match your brand colors. Like let's say the color is light pink, we could turn this into red, hands of the merchandise, or violet, or something like this, or white. You could have it as a white sticker, or a gradient, so we could have it look like this. And then you could reposition the text to match. Seeing as this is a template, some of these elements can be found when you head over to the Elements tab here, and then simply search up circle frame. So you can have a circle frame to add either as a frame or graphic or photo or chart or mockup or shapes. So you could have them here. Now for printing, all you need to do is click on share at the top right, click on download, go ahead and click on download, and then where it says PNG, you could save it as a PNG or PDF print, seeing as we're printing it out and applying it to our stuff. And then you can now crop marks and bleed. So include crop marks. You could include that into your design. You could flatten it as a PDF, or you could include notes, and just click on download, and it's going to download as a PDF, and you can print it out and apply. All right guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.